welcome back to the next Project Bimmer video. I've got a bunch of stuff I want to do on this car tonight, so let's see how much of it I can get done. So the first thing I want to do is to adjust these brake shoes. Now when I fitted the new drums, I backed the shoes off so I could get the drums off, but I backed it off too far and it's still not right because handbrake lever travels quite a bit. So I'll get this drum off. Still a bit of a slop in that, so all I need to do is just adjust these shoes. There's like a ratchet and self-adjusting mechanism, so I just need to turn the wheel until the brake shoes are just off the drum. As long as it's not binding, it'll be all right. So let's get this started. I have to move the light so I can see what I'm doing. I'll probably just do this bit. Actually, I don't think that one was too far off. So, anyway, I've just wound them out until I couldn't get the drum and just started winding them back in. So, that side's done. I'll just do the same on the other side. And that's the rear brake shoes adjusted. Right, I've done the handbrake. I'll just show you. See, it's a lot better like up here. So that's sorted. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install this dash cam. If you remember before, I had this Crosstour dash cam in my Citroen before I got the Van True. So once the Van True was installed, this was just left kicking around, so I thought might as well stick it in the BMW. So I've just put it in a location somewhere like that. Then I've got my cable here, which I'll need to run. Probably best get in the other side. Right, so don't know how well you can see this. Just take this off the mount. I can see. Oh, yep. I can see. Just get the USB cable in. Probably need my trim tools here. Probably won't be able to do a better job with it with the trim tools. So that's a trim tools I got on Amazon. I can probably leave it, put a link in the description. Okay, I'm going to stop it here. I just need to run the cable in here to the socket, and then it's all done. Well, I got it all done, and I managed a nice little neat installation, only to find out that the BMW SIG lighter is permanently on, which means the dash cam will be on all the time and it'll drain my battery, so I'll have to think of something else instead. Okay, so that's the work I'm going to do tonight on the BMW. Now I'll show you what else I was going to do. And if you remember the one of the rear exhaust mountings here, the thread snapped when I tried to undo the nut, so I managed to get another rear mounting. I got that from Euro Car Parts, so I'll put a link in the description. It only cost me £4.50, but I can't guarantee you getting that price, because I ordered it and went to pick it up in the local branch, and I managed to get a bit of a discount off the normal price, which is, I think it's £7.99 off the top of my head. And also from Euro Car Parts I got this thermostat. I'll just quickly open the box. It's a thermostat complete with the housing. I won't show you it on the car. I've had a look around it. Looks to be fairly easy to get to once the fan cowling's removed. Because this car doesn't seem to get up to temperature, it gets up about quarter. So I'm thinking it's a bad thermostat. So I'll be fitting these in a future video. So hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like and subscribe. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.